Hi children, all is well? Okay, today we are going to discuss the remaining part of our second chapter, shadows. Okay, I hope all of you had understood our second chapter, shadows. Please take your textbook and listen the read and write. Okay, page number 11, exercise A. Write T for true or F for false. Okay, first question. The boy has a little shadow. The boy has a little shadow. In previous class, we studied I have a little shadow. Poet says, I have a little shadow. Okay, so this question answer is true. Answer is true. The boy has a little shadow. The answer is true. First answer true. Okay, please listen next question. The shadow jumps into bed before the boy does. Before the boy does. Okay, we learned in previous class, the poet goes to his bed. The shadow jump into the bed before him. Okay, so this question answer is true. Second question answer is true. Okay, third question. The shadow grows just like a children. The shadow grows just like a children. In previous class we studied the growth of child. Growth of child to take time. But the shadows grows immediately. The shadows grows immediately. So, because the shadows goes just like the children, the answer is false. The answer is false. Okay, fourth one. The shadow is always the same size. The shadow is always same size. Answer is correct? Is the answer is correct? No. The shadows change the various time in different forms. Various time, different form. Varies in time in different form. The shadows change its size in various time. Okay. The answer is false. Fourth one, false. Have you finished? All of you wrote these answers on textbook? Yes. Next, answer these questions. Exercise B. Answer these questions. What does the boy have? What does the boy have? First one. What does the boy have? Boy have. The boy has little shadow. The boy has little shadows which goes in and out with me. The boy has little shadow. The boy has little shadow which goes in and out with him, with him. Okay. Answer start from the boy. The answer start from the, please listen. The answer start from the boy have changed to has. The boy has has a little shadow which goes in and out, which goes in and out with him. Okay, what does the boy have? The boy has a little shadow which goes in and out with him. What does the boy have? The boy has the little shadow. Boy has a little shadow which goes in and out with him. It goes in and out with him. Okay. Next question. What is the funniest thing about the boy's shadow? What is the funniest thing about the boy's shadow? What is the funniest thing about the boy's shadow? What is the funniest thing about the boy's shadow? The funniest thing, the way is the way in which growth of the shadow. The way in which growth of the shadow. Answer. The funniest, the answer start from the funniest thing. The funniest thing. The funniest thing about the boy's shadow is the way in which it grows. The funniest thing about the boy's shadow is the way in which it grows. The funniest thing about the boy's shadow is the way in which it grows. Next question. Third question. What does the shadow shoot up like? What does the shadows shoot up like? The shadows shoots up like a Indian rubber ball. Okay, the Indian rubber ball bounce up and down. Similarly, the shadows grows immediately large and short. Okay. What does the shadows shoot up like? Shoot up like. The shadows shoots up like. The shadows shoots up like. Answer. The shadow shoots up like a Indian rubber ball. Indian. Have you finished this one? A rabbit. Indian rubber ball. The shadows shoots up like a Indian rubber ball. The shadows shoots up like a Indian rubber ball. Okay. Fourth question. What happens the shadow when it become too little? What happens the shadows when it becomes too little? Fourth question. What happens to the shadow when it becomes too little? What happens? You can't see it anymore. You can't see it anymore. Answer. When the shadow becomes too little, you can't see it anymore. You can't see it anymore. You can't see it anymore. When the shadows become too little, you can't see it anymore. You can't see it anymore. Okay, have you finished? Okay. Next, grammar and vocabulary. Okay, please listen the yellow box. One words are called, here we are going to study the singular and plural. In previous class we studied about the nouns. Nouns are the naming word. Name of animal, place, things and people. Name of people, name of animal and birds, places and things. These are known as the nouns. Okay, the noun is divided into two, singular nouns and plural nouns. Noun divided into two. Noun means naming word. Noun means naming word. Okay, here noun divided into two, singular nouns. Singular noun and plural nouns. Singular noun means one word are called singular nouns. Singular nouns means one word are called singular nouns and many words are called plural words. One word are called singular noun and many words are called plural nouns. One word are called singular noun and many words are called plural nouns. We usually add s to the singular nouns to make plural. We add s to one word. One word plus s. We add s. We add s to make it plural. We add the s to the singular noun to make plural noun. We add s to the one word or singular noun to make it the plural noun. It make it plural noun. It make it plural noun. We add s to the one word, s to the singular nouns and it make it the plural noun. Example, shadow. One word, shadow. Shadow is a singular noun. Shadow is singular noun. Its plural noun is shadows. Shadows. We add s on the singular noun. We get the plural noun. Shadow, singular, shadows, plural. Seed. We add s, we get the seeds. The singular noun is seed, plural noun is seeds. Okay. Next one. Boards. B-O-A-R-D-S. Boards. The plural noun is boards. Its singular noun, plural noun is boards. Please try to say the singular noun of boards. Okay, board. B-O-A-R-D. Board. Next, table. Table, tables. Tables. Okay. Next, book. Book, books. Okay. Next one. We get the plural. Pencils. Okay. The singular noun is pencil. Okay, please take your textbook page number 44. 44. Okay, the exercise, please note the exercise F. Please note the exercise F. Have you finished this work? Okay. Okay, exercise F. First word, please listen. Bird. Write the plural form of these nouns. Exercise F, write the plural form of these words. Bird. Tell me the plural form of bird. Birds. B-I-R-D-S. Second word, shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. Shoes. Shoes. We add the S to the singular noun, we get the plural noun. Hill. Hills. Okay, next, carrot. Carrots. Here we add es to the plural noun. We add s or es, most nouns singular form to make plural word. That means more than one. We add s or es to make singular to plural. Okay. Okay. Please, you should write the examples on your notebook and textbook. Please try to study the singular and plural nouns in detail in next class. Okay. Today, I hope all of you had understood today's class. Okay, take care. Thank you.